Hello and welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to create fabrics with a velvet appearance in pCon.planner. This elegant effect significantly enhances your designs and visualizations, especially for upholstery and curtains. Here you can see a model covered with a fabric. Together, we'll create a velvet material for it. We'll start in the material editor. Click the plus symbol to create a new standard material. Assign a fabric texture to it. In principle, any standard material except glass or metal can be given the velvet effect. When we talk about the velvet effect, we technically mean the sheen parameter, which you can find in the options. Use the intensity slider to control how strongly the fabric's shine appears. The higher the value, the more pronounced the sheen will be. Next, adjust the color. You can freely choose between vibrant shades, such as a deep red, or different variations of it. You can match the color to your texture, or deliberately use contrasts. Finally, set the roughness. With the slider ranging from 0 to 100, you determine how the light spreads across the surface. Together with the intensity value, roughness defines the final velvet look and gives the material its distinctive character. For especially realistic results, it's recommended to use a dark base texture and also add a suitable normal map. Your material is now ready. Let's see how it looks in practice. One example of using velvet fabrics is upholstered furniture as shown in this scene. With a single click on the pCon catalog, you can access the material selection. Search for velvet and you'll find several examples in the pCon library. Select a suitable template and apply it to your furniture after downloading. The material properties already include a normal map, so the fabric looks realistic right away. If you like, you can further adjust the sheen values individually. In a direct comparison, you'll immediately see how the velvet effect gives the fabric more depth and elegance. This effect also looks great in photorealistic renderings. In the second example, you can see a scene with a curtain that has been assigned a more complex material. The velvet effect works not only with plain textures, but also with patterned ones. Simply activate the sheen, adjust the values, and give your fabric the desired look. If the texture appears too bright, you can directly reduce its brightness via the image in the material editor until the result looks harmonious. In the 3D view, you'll see your adjustments immediately in real time, and in the rendering, the velvet effect unfolds its full impact for a particularly realistic representation. This way, the effect can also be applied to complex fabrics quickly and easily. With the sheen option, you can give your materials a high-quality velvet effect in just a few clicks. This makes upholstery, curtains, and many other fabrics shine, and takes your visualizations to the next level. Feel free to also check out our video on creating normal maps. Thanks for watching and see you next time.